Good morning everyone. My name is Sudarshan Santosh Ranot. I am studying in 5th C. Today I will tell today's day and date. Today's day is Friday and today's date is 20th February 2025. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Joel Samir Varghese from grade 5th, standing before you to tell you today's thought for the day. The thought is science is not just a subject, it is a way of thinking and understanding the world. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. This is Swarashraj Patel from grade 5th C.
This is Kanak Deepak Daima from grade 5th C.
This is Trishti Santosh Shingare from grade 5th. This is Rakshita Deepchand Khandelwal from grade 5th C. Kanak, what is importance of the day?
Swara, today we celebrate National Science Day. It is observed on every February 28th to tribute C.V. Raman for his Raman Effect.
Rakshita, what is the Raman Effect? The Raman Effect is a phenomenon where light changes wavelength and it passes through a substance. It is also known as Raman scattering.
Swara, could you please share some details about Sir C.V. Raman?
Of course, his full name is Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. He was born on 7 November 1888. His big achievement is he was the first Asian to win Nobel Prize in Physics. Srishti, what is the theme of National Science Day 2025? The theme of National Science Day 2025 is raise awareness about impact of science in daily life. Kanak, what is main contributions of Indian scientists?
APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. Dr. Homi J. Baba, the father of Indian nuclear program. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of Indian space program.
Rakshita, can you tell what is the importance of science in daily life? Healthcare, medical advancements and vaccine, technology, gadgets, internet and communication, environment, renewable energy and pollution control.
Swara, how could we celebrate National Science Day?
Science exhibitions and experiments, debates and quizzes on scientific topic. Guest lecture by scientist or educator. At Shraddha Olympiad School, encouraged to participate in science exhibitions. Urge everyone to read about famous scientists.
Conduct some simple experiments at home or school.
Science is key to our future. And if you don't believe in science, you are holding everybody back. Let's nurture curiosity and keep exploring. Thank you.